Okay, today is the tour of the pouches section. All these drop leg pouches, nylon pouches, mostly by Condor, by Pentagon, by our Black Stealth brand, own brand. So Condor one, mid-range pricing, not expensive, but the quality damn solid. This is a Rip-Away EMT drop leg pouch. This one is for medic use one, but a lot of people buy for their first aid kit. So you can use mounted MOLLE system. You peel it off, then you can use your whatever inside your medical pouch lah. Then leave this on the MOLLE panel, no need to take out lah. Or you can just throw it and pass it on to somebody else to use. If not, it will be mounted directly on you, then cannot share. This one of the popular one.